a sister. Your mama love. She get it dollar. She dey wear designer. Are you looking for a sister? Oh, my love. She get it dollar.
Hello ladies, this is my recent silk press since trimming and leveling my hair, so enjoy. So I'm starting with my hair freshly washed. I washed my hair with Marc Anthony's Grow Long shampoo, but before that I pre-pooed my hair with this Garnier Fructise Nourishing Treat Coconut Mask, which smells amazing, and it detangled my hair like no other. Then I also use some coconut oil as well. To prep for my silk press, I'm going to spritz my hair with this Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk Leave-In Spray. Then I'm brushing my hair for equal distribution of the product. Then I am adding Design Essentials Silk Essentials, which is the key product. So don't skip this product. But honestly, use a small amount, like seriously. And now I'm going to blow dry my hair. So I'm going to start with this section. First, I'm going to stretch this section and blow dry in that direction. Blow drying after applying these products are the way to activate. I'm going to comb my hair and blow dry at the same time. This stretches and low-key straightens my hair before even passing the straightener. And that is what you want, okay, for a maximum result. And I'm repeating the same steps until the entire hair is completely dry. And I'm almost there. As you can see, my hair is very airy and light, and it's so bouncy. You can even tell that I'm loving it. Next, I'm going to apply some Silk Essentials one more time, but a tiny amount, as you see here. Too much of this and your hair is going to come out super greasy, son. Like, seriously, nah. So a tiny bit. Next step is straightening. I've sectioned off my hair into quarters again, and I'm going to work on my bottom left first. So basically, I'm taking a 1/4 of an inch section, grabbing a thin fine tooth comb, combing the section, then doing the chase method. By the way, my iron is set up to 450 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to continue. And voila, this is how the finished product looks like. And as you can see, my hair is super shiny, bouncy, and most importantly, pin straight, more like bone straight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.